Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today is a celebration day. Today is like our anniversary. Today is like the second year since we met.
God, I forgot something. Let me
What
find.
you forget? Alright. Yeah, family. So, you know, it's our anniversary and it's 2 years since we met. And family, it's just, it's just like some great moments and we share and everything. All of this happened is because of me knowing what I want and looking for somebody who want what I want, family. So it's 2 years and I'm very proud because it's 2 years and actually, I actually produced 2 child in this 2 years, family. 2 children in this year, family. 2 children in this year within the 2 years. So as you know, guys, it's a blessing. It's growth, and peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. It's a Friday evening, and it was this day we met with this Jam Tours. It's our anniversary. 2 years of marriage, family, and we're actually heading out. Yeah. We're heading out to the same place that we met. We met at CJ's, but this is not the CJ's we met. We met at the CJ's in Nairobi. But
we're going not meeting.
Yeah?
This is not where we met. It's where we went our first dinner date.
What do you mean? CJ's is the place
where we went for our first dinner date. We never met at CJ's.
Okay.
Okay, what I mean, meeting is that first time, like you first blood clot.
Your first one.
Glimpsed on me, like you get.
Okay.
You saw me and you're like, hey, I want this girl. You get. That's meeting, and we met at a different place. So this is where we went, and now after those few meetings, seeing me. So now when it was official that we are going for a date, this was where we went for our first date.
First. Okay,
and it was actually dinner, so yeah.
Yeah, family. So, but it was the CJ's in Nairobi.
At Koinange Street.
But now we're going to the
CJ's in Village Market.
The CJ's Village Market, family.
Yeah,
and we want to go to, we're going to speed about this, we're taking the wrong route.
Right. We are going to Sadie.
So we're not taking the back route.
Well, if you want it, you can still connect it from Blood Clot.
You feel it better?
I don't know, because right now there's no traffic.
There's no traffic. Yeah, family, so we're going to...
Right now you're going against traffic.
Yeah, we're going to Surrey Center to actually pick up a dress for Miss Jam Tours. And we have a photo shoot for baby Amesh. He's 1 year and stuff, so we want to do a photo shoot for him. So we're going to... we're going to Vivo in Surrey Center. I just want to take you along and show you what the store is like. And where you can shop as a female and stuff. So we're just on our way now, family. So in the meantime, just like, share and comment on this vlog and continue watching while we actually share our anniversary, 2-year anniversary with you.
Yes.
Yeah, family.
So, well, maybe we'll do this off camera. Maybe what we've, the what we like call it. The things we've.
Yeah. So.
In marriage. The good things, the challenges.
Okay.
No? Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So let's continue with this vlog while we go.
Is this traffic?
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Maybe it's not. Yeah, family. So we're actually at Surrey Center. Sweetie. Yeah, family, there's a news cafe up there. It's like a joint. This is Surrey Center at night. Nightlife at Surrey Center. Yeah, family, so we're actually here just to actually pick the dress from Miss Jam Tours and head on to the Village Market, family.
For our dinner.
Our anniversary dinner date. I'm sure The village market is very lively now.
Yeah.
Very lively.
Lots of people try to
Yeah.
go with me.
Yeah, family, so we're actually in Surrey Center. Let's take the stairs and go up. Surrey Center. Java House. Very nice. Yeah, family. So we actually finished with Vivo. Miss Jam towards get where she want. And it was last year like this. We shop in the one in Two Rivers. And we still have those clothes. Those clothes are very good for actually maternity mothers and stuff.
Very strong.
And very strong. So we highly recommend this if you're not only if you're pregnant, but you just have nice classic clothes
The funny thing,
and unique clothes.
yeah, the funny thing for the two dresses, actually all of them, you can put on whether you're pregnant or
Or
not.
not,
They're
yeah.
stretchy.
Yeah, stretchy, yeah. Yeah, family, so we actually, you know, kind of finished with Two Rivers Mall now. And we're just gonna,
Size.
with Surrey Center. And now we're gonna head on over to Village Market to have our anniversary dinner. So guys, so continue watching the vlogs and let us know your thoughts about everything. And let us know when you're coming to Kenya. Jam Tours can take you around and show you around. Give you that unforgettable experience. The Surrey Center. It's a busy and a Saturday night. Kids on, yeah. Yeah, family, so let's go to Village Market. Let's go. Yeah, family, so we just actually check in at Village Market and I just want to show you how outside look at night while we drive through looking for parking.
Oh,
There's a parking right there.
just before they come.
Nice parking.
Yeah.
Grab this parking.
Grabby.
In the daytime you can't get parking, but
Especially here at the front.
yeah.
Let's come out.
Yeah,
and
family,
show
let's
what
come
it
out.
looks like.
You can actually park it. Yeah, family, so this is Miss Jam Tour's outfit of the day.
At working for the my pretty handbag.
I'll take pictures with you. Yeah, family, this is Two Rivers. This is Village Market, and we're gonna enter inside the CJ's. Family, so we actually stopped in Village Market. It's called a Minsoft. inside. We have a lot of little stuff, small stuff for kids, for females, you know, for your kids. It's a very cool place. You like that? So like earbands, Miss Damtros is going natural now, so this is actually good for her.
I'll come and shop all this time.
Oh yeah, all of these.
Not
Yeah.
now.
Okay. See, you can't use it on your head there. Just take it down like this. What about this one? What about this one? I think this one is good.
Aki color blue, where we like it color blue.
See, you know, something with blue.
No, one is nice.
Okay. Alright.
So should I take you down to
That one is puffy.
So these are 3 and these are 5. That's not nice.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, family. So we had the village market now. It's on a Friday night. People is out and about. Everyone is. Eh? There's no live band. I see they have a big screen there. To watch people to watch the Premier League. Yeah, family.
The place is warm and nice.
Yeah, it's very warm. It's not full tonight, but it's alright. It's a Friday night. We're gonna go and enjoy our anniversary, family.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we just placed our order at inside at CJ's. It's our anniversary. Miss Jam told us she have a surprise for me. What's the surprise? So she have cards.
Yes, I have three cards.
Three cards.
Alright, so I should start with. So there's this, sealed in pink,
Okay.
sealed in white, then sealed in red.
Which one I want to open first?
I'm just opening this one first.
Right, some roses. My love, it's been 2 years now since you came in my life. Days have never been the same because I am in a better space with you. You have been my best friend, my better half, my everything. With you, I have watched days and weeks, months and years. We'll be glad to watch the years turn into a lifetime. That's just a paragraph of this week. So much more. And happy anniversary, darling. This is the first one. This is the second one for my dear husband. So one is for anniversary.
One of them.
And one is
This
for
one has the message on top.
wishing you happy anniversary.
I'll tell you why it's one of them.
Yeah. Dear husband, here is another year of love, laughter, and more memories. Thank you for your unconditional love. I am so blessed to be your wife because I have the best husband in this world. This world could give me. I am so grateful for your love, support, and unwavering commitment to our marriage. Yeah, family. So it says, with love from the other one is.
They all have different messages.
I like this one. This one. This one. The best love is this kind that awakens the soul, that makes us reach for more, that plants a fire in our soul and brings peace to our mind. That is what I hope to live you forever. I remember how we looked at me the first day we met and how we look back. The first hug have led us to where we are today. I am glad love found me because it's what something we go out and look for. When it does ready it will be the best thing to ever happen to you. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Yeah, family.
I wanted that message loud and clear. That you don't go looking for love.
Elsewhere.
Love finds you.
Yeah.
And when it does, whether you're ready or not, it's the best thing that can have ever happened to you. So most of the time we feel like we're not ready to love or to last.
Yeah.
Then, boom,
Come.
there we are.
Yeah, family. So I really appreciate these kind words from my wife, and I'm happy that it's 2 years, so quick, so fast, and we achieved so much. So we just got to celebrate. I would say happy anniversary. Yeah, family. So I hope you like and share. And we just congratulations to us. In CJ's family, they don't sell alcoholic liquor. Was asking for like non-alcoholic wine.
They don't have it.
But they don't sell those things. It's a Muslim restaurant. Yeah, family. So this is Ankeru. Continue watching the video. We're just waiting for food. So nice.
It's better than the one with the sardine.
It's not juice. It's really butter.
You can see they have a juicer here. They blend the juice. Just behind me, you can see the juicer.
Fresh juice. I want this juice to full up my belly.
It has been extracted right now. Hope they can bring this food. I fast it.
Yeah, family. So we finished with CJ's. Miss Jam Tours get a pista there herself. So you enjoy the night so far?
I've really enjoyed myself. I'm so full.
Yeah.
I can only think of bedtime.
Yeah. Let's go. Miss Jam Tours. Let's go. A lot of birthday things inside here. Yeah. Yeah, family, so let's go home. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know about our anniversary. It's 2 years and many more to come. So let's
so old. May God keep us.
yeah, family. So village market is not so
It's not even far from home.
yeah, it's not far from home anyways. So let's go, guys. Like, share, and comments. Jam Tours Africa. One love. God bless. Jamaica.